All right. So now what you need to do, once you're in the blog, you're going to go down to where I'm looking where. Oh, it wasn't. You have to whatever you just did. Put your cursor
Yes.
back over on the right and down. See where it says new post in the bottom right corner? Now it went away again.
So I hit,
Click on new post.
okay.
All right, and there it is. For some reason, my screen isn't catching that, and so sorry. So once you have that, so now it's just like word processing kind of. So go in here and type a title.
Okay.
Okay. And now you'll
Yep.
want to type up whatever you have. So you're going to go and grab the text.
Can I copy and paste out of an email?
Yeah, but what I want, yes, but first you have to have something to paste into. So grab that box that says text in the editor menu on the left, all those boxes. It says title, text, image, gallery, slideshow, map. Do you see those? Grab text and drag it into the box that says drag elements here and let go.
Okay.
There. Now we can go back to your wherever you want to grab it to.
Okay.
And copy it.
Let me go back to it's an email.
Okay.
So I've got to go to email. Let me see if I still have it there.
Free Farmers Market June.
Oh, I was just going to copy this, let's say.
Yeah.
Or does she have a? Oh, she's got stuff down here. So I have to download this first?
Yeah, but you know what? Let's just do this part right now because you might do this other time. So let's just copy it and then we'll go paste it in.
All right. So I got to go back to.
Yep. You copied this, right?
Yep.
Okay. Yep. Click back over. There must be another button.
Yeah, it's just the little pictures were in the way.
Oh, yeah. You can. I'm gonna drag those around.
Can't read this yet. There. No, that's not it.
There we go. No, this is just the website.
Shoot.
You can't move
Weebly. Okay. There we go.
There we go. Yep. Okay, so now click, and then paste. Make sure, you better click a couple times so you make sure to see the cursor there. There you go. Okay, now hit, Control V or paste or whatever. There you go.
Okay.
Okay, now let's say that's all you wanted for right now, okay?
Yes.
So, because sometimes that's all you'll need to do, correct?
Right.
Right. So now what you're going to do is wherever that menu on the bottom that said post options, that was on bottom left. I can't see it anymore.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, click post options.
Okay.
All right, so now you can choose. You can leave it at immediately, so it'll post right now, but let's say you have it, but you want to post it tomorrow, have it post tomorrow morning, for example. So if you click the down arrow where it says immediately, you can do a scheduled time. And now you can just change the date and the time, or you could leave it like this and it'll post at 3 o'clock today if you want. Or, wait, what would you like to do?
I'm gonna leave it at 3, but I want to get rid of something.
Okay.
Can I get rid of something on this page?
Yep. Just type like regular. And this will end in 10 minutes, and then we'll both have to log back in, okay?
All right. Okay.
All right, so now if you're good to go, then what you want to do is go down to add under categories, click the plus for add categories. So now there you have if you scroll through there, you have a whole bunch of other ones. It could be health, medical equipment, news, social activity. There's technology help. Keep scrolling down. You have some, news, okay.
Yeah.
All right, and then if that's
Did
the
it
only
go
one,
in?
if that's the only one you want, now you can go. Do you have anything else you want to do?
On this?
Yeah.
No, I think I got it.
Okay, so
And
now,
especially, yeah.
so now in the upper right-hand corner, there's a button that says post.
I gotta move the pictures again.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Click post.
Post.
And it's posted. So,
okay.
And if you wanted to share it, this is hooked up to your Facebook account. So if you wanted, you could click right now, share, and it should pop up in your Facebook.
I don't even know if we have a Facebook.
I don't know. I thought you did, but anyhow, that's okay. And once you're done all that, you go up and click the publish button. I always do right after, just to be sure. And at 3 o'clock, it should just be posted there. You can always just leave it at immediately too. So.
Yes.
And basically, now you can just close this. And that's all there is to it.
Okay.
If you wanted to, and I'm gonna pause this now. My recording.